The 8 of us walk down the street, and the 8 of us see the same thing. Let's say that it's a bit extreme as a thing. Someone comes shouting out at us, "Help!" Like that, desperately. We all see the same thing. We all see the same thing. Is that okay? Okay. How many different responses are we going to have to that? Exactly. So there's something about not the outside world that determines how you're going to behave. 100 of us go down the street, there's going to be 100 individual responses. We can cluster them. We can say these people generally fled, these people generally panicked, these people generally got anxious, these people genuinely went up and approached this person, right? We can bundle reactions into clusters, more or less, because we're human beings and we kind of behave the same. We can point to those people over there and say that's how they behaved under those circumstances, etc., etc. But all of our responses are individual. There's something about you that determines how that reaction is going to affect you. Much, much more than what happens outside of you. Even if we're talking about not extreme things. I say something. I've said many things already. The one phrase would have been received differently by each and every one of you.